Most recently, I was with an Andreas Horowitz-backed company, but I have a long tenure with Techstars. And one of the things in Techstars that they sort of inculcate in you is focus on the one metric that matters. And I think when you're a young company, you're given a lot of information, and so you have to process and act on it extremely quickly. So I think the number one challenge is signal versus noise. This is true even for larger companies, but in young companies especially, because you have a small group of stakeholders, a small group of prospects, a small group of customers who are giving you a constant amount of feedback. However, they are relying on you to know what to do next, right? They've chosen to believe in you for whatever reason, and your ability to make those decisions correctly in a way that they're comfortable with means that you have to basically sort of build the plane while you're flying.